Hello everyone, this video will cover HTTP redirects. Let's dive right into an example scenario. Let's pretend that you launched your business website, http www.exampleshirts.com, to sell shirts. It has done so well that you want to expand your inventory to include pants and other clothing items. Your business has decided to go live with a new updated URL of https www.exampleclothing.com to secure the website and reflect your expanding inventory. Now, consider a web user attempting to access a no longer active http www.exampleshirts.com from a saved browser bookmark. They access the old URL and are faced with an error, no matter how much they refresh the web page or revisit at another time. This creates an unfavorable browsing experience and your business misses sales. This is a nightmare scenario you want to avoid for your users and business. Luckily, this can be fixed by properly configuring HAProxy HTTP redirect custom rules. Use the http-request redirect configuration directive to redirect HTTP traffic to replace the entire location of a URL, add a prefix to the URL's location, and change to a different scheme such as HTTPS. Let's examine one of HAProxy HTTP redirect's parameters to find the solution to our scenario's problem. Use the location parameter to permanently move the URL from http exampleshirts.com to https exampleclothing.com, returning a successful code 301. With the location parameter in place, your users will be routed to exampleclothing.com even if they try to access exampleshirts.com. There's no errors nor downtime for sales. Everyone is happy. Reference the HTTP redirects documentation page for further information about implementing parameters not covered in this video, such as scheme, where you only want to redirect HTTP traffic to, say, HTTPS, or prefix, where you add a prefix, such as /API/v2 to a URL's location. And that's it for this video. That should give you an idea what HTTP redirects are in an HAProxy configuration file. Thanks for watching.